Now we're removing masking. One thing to remember about removal of your masking is actually when you're applying it. You want to start on one side of the vehicle, run your masking to the opposite. When removing, start where you ended, work back to where you started applying your masking. You want to start by removing the secondary 2-inch tape line, trying to leave the 3/4 inch primary line if possible. As you see here, the 3/4 came with it, so be sure and pull at a 45-degree angle to get that nice clean cut tape edge. While removing, be sure and fold the plastic back into itself to prevent the wet material from getting on yourself or the vehicle. Now that all secondary masking is removed, you come back and pull your primary tape line. You can see there the dog ear makes it very easy pulling that tape from between the cab and the headboard. We do recommend wearing protective gloves and protective clothing just to keep from getting mess all over yourself and possibly spreading it to the vehicle. Remember to pull at a 45-degree angle back over the wet edge to leave that fine cut line. If you pull down away from the wet material, you stand a chance of getting stringers and drips that will leave an unattractive finish. Now remove the masking from the cab. The trick here is to pull the tape loose from the cab corners and the windows, flip the wet edge over top of the cab. Last steps, any areas that you did smear to the truck, remember it's not that big of a deal. Take some denatured alcohol and a rag. Within the first hour, it will wipe right off.